Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Google Sites for blogging or how to create a blog in Google Sites 2025. So to do that, right here, just have to go to the googlesites.com and then make sure to log into your account. And right here, you'd be able to see this different templates. So what I recommend is you have to start with a blank site. So you just have to simply click on the blank site option. And of course, I'll be using an online tool which is the ChatGPT for this video. So yeah, let us start. Now just simply click on the blank side option. So this one. And then after that, you'll be directed to this page. Now we only have one section right here since we have started with a blank site. So let us start by changing the text. So I'm going to name this one as Maldives blog. Okay, so let me just adjust this section. And then after that, we are going to change the background image. So I'm going to add a name at the top left as well. Now click on the image and then you'll be able to see this option. So just click on the image and then click on upload or select. So I am going to find media from Google. So I'm going to click on the Google images and then search for the keyword. So I'm going to type out Maldives and then get the image that I need. And then click on insert. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds while they are adjusting for readability. Next is we are going to add here now the columns. Okay, or some of the details. I'll be using this layout. So for our first section, I am going to add here, like for example, you want to be specific about the rooms in Maldives. So I'm going to use just from Google as well. So I'm going to type out Maldives and then look for a room that I can use or an image for a room that I can use. Okay, so I think this room is good. So here you can type out the details or a small description of this one. So for example, bathrooms in Maldives. Okay, and then after that, we're going to add here now the link. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that we are going to add a link right here so that when someone clicked on it, they were directed to that specific blog post. So here we just have to create a new page. So to add a new page, just click on the pages at the top right. And then here just click on the add option and then just have to name your page. Okay, so for example, best rooms in Maldives. And then click on done after that and you'll be directed to that page. So what you're going to do here now is to add all of the details or your blog post. Okay, so here just going to click on insert and then I'll be using this layout. Okay, so I'm going to add an image right here and then a text box. So here I am going to upload an image. So using the Google images again. Okay, so I am going to use this image as well. And then just click on insert. And then right here, just have to type out the title of this image or of this blog post. So here, I'm going to use the title and the small description. Then I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, so I'm going to remove the space. And then if you'd like to add more description of this one, so you can go back and then add your text. So I'm just using ChatGPT for this video. Of course, you have to create your own blog post. Okay. And the next one is we are going to add a text box. Okay, so right here, just have to simply click on the text box option at the top right and then add all of your description or all of the text for your blog post. Okay, so let me just click on the text box. So this one beside the images option. Okay, and then let me just go back to ChatGPT. And then just have to copy the text and go back to Google Sites and then paste it right here. Okay, so now that we have successfully created our first blog post, so here next thing that we should do is to hide this one. So you just have to hide this one from navigation. Okay, so now that we have successfully hide this from navigation, let's go back to our home page and then add here now the link. So clicked on it, you just have to highlight the text and click on the link, and then just have to select the page and click on apply. Next one is we are going to add a short description right here and then add a new link at the end. Like for example, you just have to type out see more, then highlight the text, and then you can add the same link. Okay, so let me just copy this one and then paste it right here. And then you can change the format or the text alignment, the text spacing as well. Okay, so here it is. Now I'm going to type out right here see more, and then I'm going to highlight these words and then click on the linked icon, and I'm going to link this one to that blog post. Now let us try to publish this one and then preview. Okay, so clicked on the publish option and then clicked on publish, and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and when I go back right here, just clicked on view publish sites. Okay, so when someone clicked on this highlighted text, okay, for example this one, so they'd be directed to the page, so now they can read this blog post. And then let's go back and try to click on the see more option. So when they clicked on the see more option again, so they'd be directed to the same web page. Okay, so now if you would like to add a new one, so you just have to do the same. You just have to simply click on this one right here. Then of course, if you would like to use another layout, so you can do that as well. But for this video, I'm using this one for you to understand the concept and how you can link a page to that specific section. Okay, so using the Google site to host your blog post offers several benefits. So the first one, it is free and accessible. So Google site is free to use, making it budget-friendly option for bloggers, and it's accessible from any device with an internet connection, allowing easy management of your blog. And of course, it is very easy to use. And it is reliable and secure. So backed by Google's infrastructure, the platform ensures fast load times, uptime, reliability, and robust security measures, including SSL encryption. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.